welcome back. Today, we will talk about how to start your AI consulting business, even if you have no experience. If you are someone who's been learning AI tools, experimenting with content prompts, building automations, or setting up simple systems, but you are not sure how to turn that into something people will pay for, then this lesson is for you. Because you don't need to be a developer, you don't need to build software, and you definitely don't need to know everything about AI. All you need is one use case you understand and a clear way to help someone apply it to their business. So, in this lesson, I will walk you through exactly how to get started as a beginner AI consultant, how to pick a service you can confidently offer, how to position it without sounding techy, and how to land your first paid client using a super simple strategy, even if you've never done it before. And this is one of the fastest ways to start earning with your AI skills, especially if you are looking to offer services or build toward recurring income. So let's break this down. What does it actually mean to be an AI consultant? A lot of people hear AI consultant and imagine someone coding tools, building custom AI apps, or working with big companies. But that's not what we are talking about here. Being an AI consultant at this level means you are someone who helps others using existing AI tools to save time and save money, automate tasks, or improve results. That could mean helping a coach create content faster with ChatGPT, or helping a business owner set up automated follow-up emails with Zapier, helping a content creator summarize YouTube videos into newsletter drafts, or setting up a chatbot that handles FAQs on a small website. You are not the coder or developer. You are the translator and implementer. You show up, ask the right questions, and help your client get a real result using the tools you've already learned in this course. Most people don't want to spend hours figuring out ChatGPT or testing automations. They want someone who can guide them and get it done. And that's what makes your role valuable. Even if you are just starting, you are solving a real problem for the business with the tools you already know how to use. Now that you know what an AI consultant actually does, let's figure out what you can offer right now based on the tools you already know. And this part is important because you do not need to offer 10 different services or know every tool inside and out. As we said before, you only need one use case that you understand and can help someone else implement. Here are a few common examples that work well for beginners. You could help a service provider automate their lead follow-up using Zapier or Make.com, or help a coach streamline scheduling. You could help clients generate weekly content using ChatGPT, or turn their voice notes into blog posts or emails. You could help a business owner set up a chatbot that answers customer FAQs on their website. You could even summarize long documents or research paper and turn it into something usable. All of these are services you can offer, and none of them require you to be an expert. They just require you to be one step ahead of the client and able to guide them toward a result. And here's my advice. You can pick one use case that feels simple to you, and it solves a real and recurring business problem, and it could be delivered in a few days. But don't overthink your first offer, because the goal is to help someone quickly build trust and get their first win. Once you've chosen your use case, it's time to package it into something you can actually sell without overcomplicating it. You don't need multiple tiers, fancy proposals, or a full website. What you need is a clear, no-fluff offer that solves a specific problem in a specific way. Here's the easiest structure to follow. You can offer one of these services. The first one is a quick win service. This is something you can set up in 1 to 3 days, such as a chatbot, an automated workflow, or a batch of AI-generated content. You can charge from $150 to $500 USD per setup. The second one is a strategy call or audit, and it's perfect for new leads who are not sure what they need You can guide them through possibilities and leave them with a clear plan. The price for this service can range from 100 to 300 USD. And the third one is a monthly support plan. This is for clients who want recurring content or help maintaining their AI tools. For example, you can provide monthly content packs, automation checkups, or chatbot refreshes, and you can charge from 150 to 500 USD per month. You can deliver everything with simple tools like Google Docs, Notion, Zapier, ChatGPT, Canva, or ManyChat. And the best part is, you can launch with just one offer and one sentence. You can say something like, I help service providers automate client onboarding using Zapier, and I will set it up for you in 24 hours or 48 hours. You will refine your offer as you go, but don't wait until it's perfect. Just start with something small, specific, and helpful. Now, let's talk about how to actually describe what you do in a way that builds trust, even if you are just getting started. This part is all about confidence and clarity. Most beginners make the mistake of sounding either too vague or too technical. Neither of those builds trust. So, what works then? You can use simple, benefit-driven language. Because clients don't care about the tool, they care about the result. And your goal is to make it obvious how your service helps. And here's a plug and play sentence you can use. I help. Here is a type of client. Then achieve specific results using simple AI tools without tech overwhelm. Here are a few examples. I help online coaches automate their onboarding so they don't have to manage it manually. I help business owners automate their scheduling workflows. Or I help creators turn long-form content into bite-sized social posts with ChatGPT. It's clear and specific, and it positions you as a helpful guide, not a techy service provider who needs explaining. You can also share your own experience of using AI tools as proof. Something like, I used this exact method to automate my follow-up emails, or I created this chatbot to handle my DMs. And now I'm offering it as a service. That kind of proof is relatable, and it's often more powerful than a long portfolio when you are just starting out. So, getting your first client doesn't require a fancy sales funnel or a big audience. You just need one clear offer, one outcome you can deliver, and one person who needs it right now. And the easiest way to start is by offering a quick win service. Something like setting up one chatbot, building one simple automation, or delivering 1 week of content. Price it at a level that feels comfortable but still values your time and skills, usually between 150 and 500 USD. Now, who do you offer it to? Or how to get your first paid client? You can start with people you already know. You can reach to your current contacts, or past clients if you have, or anyone in your network who runs a business and could benefit from saving time. You can also join online communities to find potential clients. And remember that you are not selling hard. You are just offering your help. So keep your outreach simple. You can say something like, hey, I've been helping small business owners using AI to create content or automate client tasks. I've got a few open spots this month. Let me know if you or someone you know would want to help with that. You can also post casually inside communities or online groups where your ideal client hangs out. If you're in the groups for coaches, creators, or service providers, mention that you are offering this kind of help and invite people to message you. You only need one person to say yes. Then you deliver, ask for feedback, and use that project to build the momentum. This is how most successful consultants start, not with a website or a funnel, but with one offer and one person. Now that you've seen how simple it can be to start your own AI consulting business, here's what you can do next. First, choose one use case that feels clear and easy for you to deliver. It could be content creation with ChatGPT, chatbot setup, automation with Zapier or Make.com, or even a strategy session. The goal is to solve one problem for one type of client. Then, use the AI Consulting Business Startup Guide in this lesson to help you package that into a real offer, even if you are just using Google Docs to deliver it. That guide walks you through each step from use case to outreach. Next, open the pricing and positioning cheat sheet in this lesson. It includes sample price ranges, service formats, and a plug-and-play language you can use to sound confident and client-ready, even without a portfolio. After that, you can reach out to 3 people this week, people in your network or business owners in online groups. Keep your message clear, helpful, and casual. Then, deliver your first win and build confidence. Getting one client to say yes is all you need to start building proof, confidence, and momentum. So, use the resources from this module to guide your next steps. And don't wait to feel ready. You already have the skills. Now it's time to offer them in a way that gets paid. Alright, that's it for this lesson, and I will see you in the next video.